What are you doing in there? Huh? What? No, don't sit in there. Get out of there. You're too big. You're going to break it. You're too big for that, you silly goose. Don't do that. What are you doing? Whose bed is that?
Daddy.
Who?
Daddy.
What's his name?
Daddy.
No, what's his name?
Baba.
Bubba. It's Bubba's bed, huh? Where's Sadie's bed?
Daddy cup.
Whose?
Daddy cup.
No, who's it? What's his name?
Baba. 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 Baba.
Baby
Oh,
Bubba?
baby.
Is it baby Bubba's? Are you going to go nanny in there?
Yes.
Okay. Do you need a pillow?
No.
Can baby Andy go nanny in your bed?
No.
You sure?
No.
I think he wants to go night-night in your bed.
No.
Well, you're in his bed. Stop doing that. You're going to break that. Come on, get out of there now. Let's go find some jammies for you. Should we go find Dora? Come on, let's go find Dora. Say bye-bye, baby Bubba.
Baby Baba.